So first you slit open the baguette, add some Vietnamese style mayonnaise and pate, which is usually made of chicken liver. Next, some pickles, carrots and radish. Add some pork floss or chicken floss. This special sauce is a secret recipe, but you can use Maggi seasoning. Definitely a little bit of cilantro. And there you have it.
Nice.
Hello, thank you.
Thank you.
Let me taste. They have their own Vietnamese style mayonnaise. Tastes a little bit buttery, and you can hear that the crust of the baguette is very crunchy, very crispy, and inside the bread is soft and fluffy. The cilantro give it a nice bite, you know, a little bit of fresh green taste, and pickled carrots. Every bite is delightful. I can taste the ham, their own Vietnamese ham. A little bit of spice from the chili, cut chili. And I like the taste of pepper as well. Dash of pepper. I believe they also added Maggi seasoning, so there's a little bit of umami. So for this humble looking sandwich, it's $5.50. I ordered a pork banh mi. There's also choice for beef lovers, so you have beef banh mi and several other items on the menu. So when I pair it with their Thai milk tea, I get a 50 cents discount. So for these two, I pay $6.50. Otherwise, just for banh mi alone is $5.50, or just for the tea alone is $1.50.